To do the pee-pee and now he wants to play.
Yeah.
What are you doing, you goofy? Yeah, he loves leaves and sticks and everything. If he can chew it, he likes it. Oh, there's Uncle Chris. There's Uncle Chris. You ready? Come on, Jaxie. Come on, Jax. Okay, good timing. Chris just came. We had to stop him from chewing on hibiscus seeds.
Jax.
He likes the leaves, the moss, the sticks.
He likes to smell flowers.
Oh, he loves to smell flowers.
On walks, he'll literally stop and smell the roses. I'm like,
Aw,
Jax, let's go.
you stopping to smell the roses?
Jax, come on.
No, Uncle Chris.
You can
He's
let him
Uncle
go.
Chris.
Just drop the leash.
Come on. Here
Like,
you go.
he's fine.
Go.
What you doing, Jaxie Poo?
So I think I've narrowed it down. It's people who are bald.
Really?
A bald guy tried to pet him, and Jax was like, "Don't touch me."
He's